Well, tonight, Americans are racking up credit card debt, and now there's a record number of people defaulting on it.
11 Alive's consumer investigator Liza Lucas spoke with a mother who found herself tens of thousands of dollars in the hole, but thanks to a nonprofit, she's already making major progress paying it off.
Ainsley Loya's story is likely a familiar one. A blown out tire, a home repair, a toy from Target. You put it on the credit card and maybe you forget about that swipe until it starts adding up.
I was in about $80,000 worth of debt. For me, I would kind of rack up my credit cards to get to the point where I couldn't really afford those payments anymore, so then I'd take out a consolidation loan. But what would happen is my cards would stay open, and so before I knew it, I would keep swiping the cards and end up right back where I was.
Ainsley says she was drowning in monthly minimum payments, and data shows she is not alone. Americans have accumulated more than $1.2 trillion in credit card debt, according to brand new data from the Federal Reserve Bank of New York. And previously, we're already seeing the number of people defaulting on their debt hit the highest level in 14 years. Default happens when a borrower misses credit card payments for about 6 months, which then negatively impacts your credit reports. But the good news is more Georgians like Ainsley are also seeking help, according to Money Management International.
Whether it's creating a budget, getting out of debt, just buying a home, keeping a home, anything like that, natural disaster recovery, we can help you with that.
The nonprofit tells 11 Alive the number of Georgians seeking help is up 44% year over year. Money Management International even works with creditors to lower interest rates, helping get people out of debt in a little under 5 years on average. We've got the nonprofit's info for you online, but if you are researching help yourself, there are some questions you want to think about, keep in mind, because there are scammers preying on this type of situation. First off, you want to get clarity how much you'll save overall. Then ask this question, is there a fee? How much is this going to cost me overall? And finally, will this plan, or how will this plan or working together affect my credit? Read all the fine print, get things in writing before you jump in. And as for Ainsley, she has cut up those credit cards and she has already paid down 20% of her debt.